Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to lock selection pane in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document and we take some shapes. Now we want to lock selection pane in this document. Go to the home menu, then click select drop down menu and choose selection pane. Now we can see here we opened the selection pane and here two object heart or arrow. Now I click the I button to lock this selection pane. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.